have started, and this is the second part of the chapter 1. So previously we have learned or understood the purpose of ITIL, what is ITIL, how it works, who is using this, and other stuff. So from this second part, we will be understanding that how we are utilizing this ITIL framework and why it matters in the most IT organizations, and everyone on this IT platform is using this framework to work upon. So starting today's lecture, that why it matters, that why we need to use ITIL, why we need to understand that how to use ITIL. So starting from the beginning, that as we have mentioned, improve service quality and efficiency and a lot of other things. So just think it of a situation that, have you ever faced a situation where your system went down, users were frustrated, and IT team was running like firefighters? If yes, definitely you will understand that ITIL matters and why it matters. If no, then you will be understanding that why it matters and why we are going to use this. So today we will be talking about why ITILv4 is important and how it helps us or IT teams to deliver the best services. So considering the first point, that improving service quality and efficiency. So we are working on ITIL framework. So just taking an example, like in most of the organization, IT works day, night, and they work hard, but without a process, work becomes actually very much cumbersome to understand, to handle, to the task. If it is not structured in a proper format, it will be a complicated situation to handle all the tasks in an IT operation. So if you can take an example of this concern, that improving the service quality and efficiency. Suppose, imagine a company where users are raising incidents through WhatsApp, email, phone calls, or walking in directly to the IT desk. So now our team is getting confused that which incident is to give the priority, which people will give the priority, which one is pending, which one is working on, and who is working on what incidents. So with all these frustration and complexities, they need to understand that to which issues or to which concerns they need to priority on. If you are not able to decide the priority, you will not be able to cater to your team, to your clients. So this is where the problem is. So with ITIL, if you are having an ITIL services deployed in your network, it will be like a proper channel, proper systems is set up, proper timings defined for everyone, and you people will use it. So everything, like suppose in the situation which I have gave you right now. So the first thing, like suppose if you have a proper service desk team which is settled and which is taking all your incidents and coming issues, and they are aligning it with the priority, they are aligning it with the category, they are preparing the tickets, they are getting the basic informations, and then they are passing those incidents to the senior team members, or they are resolving it them by self. They are taking the ownership of the SLAs. They are making sure that these incidents will be addressed on time. So these things will help you to align all those incidents or concerns coming in, so that you can be able to understand that topic. The concern, actually, not topic, the incidents. So the faster resolution, the better the service quality is, the better the service delivery is. You just need to make sure the accuracy of the problems which is resolved, which is given to you. Secondly, if you are using an ITIL framework, you will reduce the downtime. You may save some cost to your company. It's like then suppose it's a downtime. It's not just an IT problem. It's a business loss. It becomes a business concern. If your systems are down, your employees are not able to work. Your applications will not be running properly. You are facing some communication issues. Your mail is stuck from last 2 hours or 3 hours. Your message is not going to the to your stakeholders. So you will not be able to understand that how it is working and how people are working onto it. Your approvals stops. Your customers don't get your responses. Productivity drops by monetarily with time. So everything is stuck to a deadlock, and you will not be able to handle it if IT is not working properly. So achieving these things, reducing the downtime, reducing the cost wasted or cost incurring to the losses, it all needs a proper set formula, a proper set framework, which ITIL provides you. Like suppose there are ITIL practices which we use as incident management, problem management, change management. So these things will be discussed further ahead in the lectures. But as of now, we are just understanding that you need to manage your incidents properly, you need to manage your problems properly, you need to manage your changes properly. So all these things, when you will run it all as an oiled machinery, it will properly work, and it will give you good results always. So less downtime, fewer repeated incidents, reduced operational costs, this all helps you to achieve something good and some good service quality into your organization. Moving ahead, when we talk about customer satisfaction, so this is a very big topic and very discussed topic in this scenario right now currently in IT, and people are talking a lot much on that, and people are working a lot much to improve on customer satisfaction. So there are plenty of discussions. If you may find on LinkedIn, you may find on some websites, like always people are emphasizing on customer satisfaction. So what it says exactly, like suppose you are having your dashboards which are looking you greener, which are looking you everything up and running. You find it all, that firewalls, that routers, that switches, that servers, that database servers, everything is looking good. But still your user is facing a problem because they are not getting a solution of their issues and their incidents on time. So this creates a kind of complicated situation, because everything to you looks good, but your user is not satisfied properly, and they are saying that every day we are facing some problems we are not able to work on. Other users are capable of working. Maybe some users are not able to run their laptops. So take an example. If a user reports a laptop is slow and it responds after 3 days with no update, user becomes frustrated, right? So, but with an ITIL framework, with a proper set of process, there is always a good thing. Good part is like you are going to log, suppose he or she is logging a ticket, and with your given SLAs, your service desk is taking the ownership, and they are responding the incident properly. They are acknowledging the incident properly, and they are passing the tickets to the concerning team. They are dispatching it on time, and the issue gets resolved within few minutes of time. So what will happen? It will like your user gets satisfied. Your user is happy with your performance, with your work. The experience of a user is getting increased. That is also getting green, and people are able to work onto it. So this is what people do. This is what IT is supposed to be happening and working on that. So we termed it as a CSAT score, which needs to be higher in an organization. So what is CSAT score? It's a customer satisfaction score which you take in a form of survey, which you can take in a form of discussions or meetings or a daily stand-up call or something like this. So in this way, you can be able to understand, and you can be able to increase the customer experience as much as you can. Now, this is what about the customer satisfaction. You need to take care about your customers' satisfaction also. If they are good, your performance is always good. Now, the last topic is building a foundation for continual improvement. Now, continual improvement, when we can talk about, it's kind of a model which helps you to improve the efficiency of your work, your processes, your set rules, mechanisms, everything you need to understand. So ITIL is not only about fixing problem, it's about improving services continuously. You always needs to improve your services. Today you are working with some 10 steps to some of the processes. Tomorrow maybe you are doing 5 steps only to achieve that with the growth of technologies. Suppose there is an example, your IT team notices 40% tickets are password resets. That means IT is wasting time on repetitive work, right? So with ITIL thinking, or you improve the service by creating a self-service password reset portal, or automating that process, or you are providing some kind of QR code to your team members, and you have cut short your time of handling those 40% incidents which you are getting for password resets. So now user are wasting less time, user are more satisfied, they are doing the password reset in a moment, and they'll be able to work onto it. So there's a smaller automatization, a smaller thought process changes everything. Users are happy, IT team focuses on bigger issues to keep the lights on, productivity increases. So this is how ITIL helps to organize and to mature your steps, your processes, everything. So summarizing this topic, ITIL is helping you to improving the service quality, efficiency, reducing the cost, downtime, increasing the customer satisfaction, building a culture of continual improvement. So this all thing, it's a kind of mindset for delivering a value through IT services. So as we will start moving ahead in any of this, with this ITIL syllabus, definitely we'll be getting into service value systems, incident management, change management, problem management, and a lot of other things. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Byte&BrewPune for more ITIL4 content. And also comment below whatever the questions you have. I'll be happy to answer, and definitely I'll get a good support from